Hello and welcome to Unit 4. So far everything seems to be going very well. I do like the videos that you've added in. It's made it very easy for me to follow along to see whether or not you understand it. For those of you that have not added narration to your videos, please try to get a hold of a microphone so I can hear you talk about it. And part of the reason for that is it allows me to get to grips with whether or not you are coming to grips with the assignments. So that would be the first one. The second one, due dates are going pretty well. People are getting involved with things, and I like that. One of the things that you have about 3 things that you're reading about and or discussing this particular week. One of which is applets. The other for the discussion topic is screen flicker. And then the last one is more recursion. Now, of all the subjects there, applets are good to come to grips with. However, more recursion is huge. Coming to grips with recursion is huge. Make sure that you spend some extra time coming to grips with recursion, and that's what my micro lesson will be on this week. Because the recursion, no matter what language you're in, is a concept that will be used, and it's a high degree of efficiency where your code is concerned. So make sure that you take some time, make sure that you understand all those elements, primarily recursive, or the recursion function. And if you have any particular questions for me, feel free to ask. Otherwise, keep up the good work. Make sure to make the due dates, and if there are issues, make sure to let me know. It's the only way I can stay ahead of the ball where this is concerned. Thank you very much for your time.